Select the tool, divide the segment. Click the segment. I'm going to divide it by 3. So we have 2 points. And select the segment up to here. I will move down this segment by 1 centimeter. Hold down Ctrl and Alt key on your keyboard and click this pointer tool again. 1 centimeter down, so minus 1 centimeter. And select this point and go to menu treatment, item info. I'm going to change this point from regular to control. Click OK. Then you have the curved line. Hi, I'm Jin. Welcome to Pattern Studio 101. Pad tutorial today. There are so many professional pattern making programs out there, but I really enjoy using Pad because it's so accessible. Since it's cloud-based, you don't have to pay a huge upfront cost like you do with other softwares. It's also super beginner-friendly and very easy to learn. This is probably why it's so popular in the industry right now. If you're curious, they actually offer a 1-month free trial, so you can try it out. And I am a Pad affiliate, so you can also use my code PS101A for an extra 5% off. In this lesson, we're going to draft this square neck top from scratch. As you can see from the photo, it has a clean geometric square neckline on the front. And you see the binding at the back neck. It's a sleeveless style with also binding. There are side bust darts to give the chest some shaping. I've always found that the best way to learn new software is by actually making patterns. So I'll walk you through the drafting process step by step and show you the different tools and menus as we use them. Just a quick reminder, since this is a software-focused tutorial, I won't be spending much time on how to make the pattern itself. Instead, I'm going to focus on how to use the program to get the job done. All right, let's get started. These are the garment measurement we're going to make. 44 centimeter of the chest circumference. 55 centimeter of the blouse length. This length is taken from the high shoulder point to the hem. 18 centimeter of the neck width. 34 centimeter of the shoulder width. Again, these are not body measurement, but the garment measurement. To draw a rectangle, you can use this rectangle tool, but I'm going to use this segment tool. Hold down the Shift key and draw a segment. With segment length, click the point. We're going to have 22 centimeter. Again, with the segment tool, hold down the Shift key to make a straight line. Measure the segment length. Click the top one, 55 centimeter length. Click OK. Segment, another horizontal line, and select align 2 points in Y. And I'm going to click this point first and the second one. Then their lengths are the same. Connect 2 points with the segment tool. This vertical line will be the center back and the center front. Select this segment and select the tool, add point to segment. Click the point top one. I'm going to go down 20 centimeter for the armhole depth. Draw a segment. Select the center back again. Add point to segment. 34 centimeter for the waistline. Draw a line with the segment tool. Okay, let's zoom in. Select the tool, add point to segment. 9 centimeter for the high shoulder point. So this is 9 centimeter, half of the neck width. I'm going to go down 3 centimeter. This is the back neck drop. Select the tool, curve. Click one of these 2 points and click in the middle and click the other point. With the pointer tool, you can adjust the curve. So this is going to be the back neck curve. Select this horizontal line. With the tool, add point to segment. Click this point, half of the shoulder width, 17 centimeter. So this is the shoulder point. Select the tool, point.
Hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and click the shoulder point.
I'm gonna go down 1.5 centimeter on y-axis. So minus 1.5 here. Click OK. You can connect these 2 points. It will be the shoulder seam. Select the tool, curve again. Click the shoulder point, click anywhere in this area, and click the underarm point. Again, with the pointer tool, you can adjust the armhole curve. For the side seam, select the waistline, select the tool, segment length. Click the point on the center back. You know this is 22 centimeter because our chest circumference is 88 centimeter. It's quarter of it, right? But I'm gonna reduce 1 centimeter on this quarter body. So it's going to be 21 centimeter. Okay. At the hem, I'm going to increase 1 centimeter. So it's going to be 23 centimeter. With the curve tool, you click and drag. So you can make the side seam curved. You click and drag. So your side seam is smooth and nice. For the hem, select the tool, divide segment. Click the segment. I'm going to divide it by 3. So we have 2 points. And select the segment up to here. I will move down this segment by 1 centimeter. Hold down Ctrl and Alt key on your keyboard and click this pointer tool again. 1 centimeter down, so minus 1 centimeter. And select this point and go to menu treatment, item info. I'm going to change this point from regular to control. Click OK. Then you have the curved line. This is the back body. Select the contour line of the back body. Go to treatment, set piece. Piece name is going to be back. If you want, you can fill out all the pattern name, description, whatever. The center back will be folded, so we need only single. The fabric will be self, and this is going to be plain. Then you have a back body pattern. I don't need this internal line for the underarm and waist. Delete all this point. And I want to add a notch for the waist at the side seam. So select the point, treatment, notches, and it's going to be simple notch. Back body is done. I'm going to make the front body using this space frame next time. If you're enjoying this video, I just want you to know I made pad system hotkey list. Using shortcuts while you're working with pad will improve your work speed and efficiency. Head over to my website patternstudio101.com and download my pad system hotkey list. It's free.